I did a tutorial for 3 of the dance sequences in Michael Jackson's Smooth Criminal video, and so that's in a separate video that I can link in the description. This video is to practice with music, so we'll practice each part at 0.75 speed and then at regular speed. So let's do the first part at 0.75 speed. This is the one where you start arms out and you do the 3 head nods. Here we go. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, do that as many times as you need to, and when you're ready, let's try it at full speed. Here we go. 5, 6. All right, let's try the second sequence. This is the fast one that starts with the putting the hat on, reaching, and pointing. We're going to start at 0.75 speed. Here we go. Do it as many times as you need to at that speed, and when you're ready, let's try it full speed. That one is fast. When you're ready, let's do the third sequence. This is the one that starts with the lean. We're going to do 0.75 speed first. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, hit 8. Again, do that as many times as you need to at that speed, and when you're ready, let's do it full speed. Here we go. 5, 6. I hope it was helpful to practice with the music that way. If you missed the tutorial, I have that linked in the description, but check out my channel for more fun dances to learn.